Comfort is extremely important for us here at Euphree. So today I'm going to go over how to adjust your stem for your unique riding style. Let's get started.
First, let's make sure that the stem is properly seated on the fork. Use an Allen wrench to loosen the two bolts that hold the stem on the fork. Then take a flathead screwdriver or butter knife to remove the stem cap located at the top. If you look down into the hole, you'll see another Allen bolt inside. Use a long Allen wrench to tighten that bolt up. You want it to be tight enough that you won't feel any wobble between the headset tube and the fork, but not so tight that you can't turn properly. Let's not tighten the two other bolts just yet, because they're used to make sure the stem is in the right orientation. Step in front of the bike and use your feet to hold the wheel in place. From there, grab the handlebars and twist the stem so that it is in line with the front wheel. This will make sure that your handlebars are straight while riding. Once everything is lined up, use your Allen wrench to tighten up the two bolts on the stem. Make sure they're nice and tight so that the stem won't twist while riding. Finally, let's make sure that your riding position is comfortable. One of the biggest advantages of the City Robin is that you can tailor your ride to your unique riding style. Whether you prefer a more upright riding position or a more aggressive one, the City Robin has you covered. A good guideline for a more upright riding style is to make sure that your elbows aren't locked out. You want a slight bend in your arms. This will make sure you won't get really sore or lose circulation while riding. To adjust the angle of your stem, first loosen the bolt on the right-hand side. The bolt on the left-hand side is locked in place, so there's no need to loosen it. Sit on your bike and pull the handlebars toward you. Find your preferred position and take note of the angle using the handy gauge printed on the stem. Once it's in the right position, tighten the bolt back up. After you've tightened it, make sure there isn't a lot of play in the stem arm. A small amount is totally fine, but you definitely don't want your stem moving around while riding. Depending on the angle you've set the stem to, you might need to twist the handlebars into a different position. To do this, just loosen the four bolts on the front of the stem plate, twist the handlebars into the correct position, and then tighten them up again. Take your bike out for a spin to make sure everything feels comfortable. If everything feels good, then you're ready to ride. Thanks for watching.